Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use egg to lift, tighten and firm my skin. This has my skin looking so amazing, so much younger, so much fresher. So if you're interested, continue watching the video. So here I have the egg, and today I'm using a white egg. You can use any type of egg you have. Egg will have to lift, tighten and firm the skin. What I'm going to do with the egg, I'm going to extract the egg yolk. To extract the yolk, you can choose to just break the egg and extract it, or use whatever method that you normally use to extract your egg yolk. So first, let's get rid of our egg white. And once this is done, take a look. Here we have our egg yolk, one medium egg yolk. My next ingredient is turmeric powder, and turmeric is rich in antibacterial properties, good for acne prone skin, good to get rid of blackheads and whitehead, but it is also good for skin lightening benefit, clearing dark spots and blemishes on the skin, lightening and brightening. It is also good for exfoliating dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder, adding this to the bowl with our egg yolk, and now we are going to whisk the two ingredients together, dissolving the turmeric powder in the egg yolk. You can also choose to mix the turmeric powder in a little bit of a rose water and then add it to the egg yolk. This is going to take about 2 minutes or so to totally blend the turmeric and the egg yolk. Now once this is done, we are going to move on to my next ingredient. If you do not like the smell of egg, go ahead and add a little bit of the rose water to this mixture. It is optional, however. You can choose to use it or you can choose to leave it out. Now let's move on to my next ingredient and take a look. Here I have some coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to hydrate the skin, helps to soften the skin. It is also one of the better oil to remove pigmentation on the skin. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of coconut oil. Now if you do not have the coconut oil, you can choose to use some sweet almond oil or even some olive oil in this recipe. Use liquid or solid coconut oil, it doesn't matter. Now we are going to blend this coconut oil in our egg yolk. So we're blending egg yolk, coconut oil and turmeric powder. Mix and mix well. Now when it comes on to using egg on the skin, it will help to lighten, brighten, tighten and firm the skin. What I like about using the egg yolk is that it is rich in protein. It will help to boost and build the collagen production and also the elastin in the skin. Help your skin to look years younger. So once we're done mixing the 3 ingredients together, our remedy is now ready to use on the skin. You can also choose to add a little bit of a green tea to this mixture to kick it up a notch. Just make it your own. However, the base is the egg yolk, the coconut oil and the turmeric powder. Now I also use white turmeric powder for this recipe. So if you have the white turmeric powder and you do not want to get that stain from the yellow turmeric, go ahead and use the white turmeric powder, which is going to give the same benefits of using the yellow turmeric on the skin. Now once this is done, this is ready to use. You can choose to use this room temperature or you can choose to chill it in the refrigerator and then apply it on the skin. To apply this on the skin, I like to apply it with a small brush, not to stain my hands. You can use a sponge to apply it also, and I like to apply it in upward strokes like I'm showing here. So slowly brush the egg yolk and turmeric mixture on the skin. Focus on the areas where you tend to have fine lines and wrinkles, like your frown lines, your forehead wrinkles, your deep laugh lines, your sagging jawline. Keep this one away from your eyes, but don't forget your upper lips, especially if you have lip wrinkles. Once your face is completely covered with this mixture, you are going to sit with it for at least 30 minutes. The mask is going to dry on the skin. Once it is dried on the skin, then you are going to rinse off. Rinse off with cold water, pat dry the skin, and reveal beautiful, younger, fresher, more healthier, naturally glowing skin. This mask is good to use at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. It is also good to use on the neck to get rid of your neck wrinkles. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator and use it up within 2 to 3 days. We have egg in there, so you do not want to keep it for too long. Once you continue to use this, you will notice a significant difference. As a matter of fact, because we're using the turmeric powder the very first time that you use it, you're going to notice some skin lightening going on. So there you have it, an amazing facial mask to use on the skin that can help to transform your skin from dull, rough looking skin to a more clearer, brighter skin, and also lift, tighten, and firm for a more youthful looking skin.